Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the USDC on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDC on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar and type USDC just like this. And now you can find the USDC on your mobile screen just right here. Now tap onto one of the pair of the USDC that you are interested in. After that, here you can find the option of buy. Now simply tap on it. Add the additional informations of the cryptocurrency and you can simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the USDC on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.